Eli is extremely gassy this afternoon. Good Lord. And he's pooping. Alright, good talk. Glad I got that on
5
film.
flakes of hay.
Oh, really? Could have picked a better time for this.
The sun sucks.
Yeah, it does.
Eli out there?
Are you gonna hit it with the field?
Good boy. Good team, boys. Good job. Not on that boat. You got 2 boats then? Cruising now.
Turn it on.
Nope.
What's the deal?
We're going on the one boat, but it doesn't hold everybody.
I'm not going.
It's 10 maximum.
I'm not going.
Stop it. You are.
I'm not going on that boat. It doesn't hold all those people.
My mother extended the condo for another week.
I'm not going on the condo.
All right.
Yeah.